Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Today I'm teaching people how to familiarize with shopping with Jumia. It's an online shopping mall. One thing Jumia does is that you order goods, then pay cash on delivery. Jumia, the first very thing that you have to do to acquaint yourself with online shopping is that you have to get an account. You have to log into your account. You have to sign up. Like in my case, I'm signing up. I'm logging in with my Facebook credentials, and by default, I'm logged in. Now, this is my account. In this account, Jumia, as you can see, has some several offerings. Like now, they have their anniversary sales where they're celebrating their 7th birthday. So they are offering products, quality products at a low price. Jumia has these capabilities. You will pay on delivery. Once you press this option, pay on delivery, you meet different payment methods. Credit card, pay on delivery, mobile money. Then in the mobile money, you can also even pay with PayPal, Easy Loan, and pay online. Once you confirm your order, the order will come according to the payment method that you had ordered. Like this is an example of a person who had ordered something 8,700. Then there is this platform that has the most popular questions. Those people who are not acquainted with the online platform, like how to pay on Jumia, what is cash on delivery, which currency does Jumia accept in Kenya, how do I complain if I was flagged wrongly, why is pay on delivery disabled from my account? All those stuff you will get them from this option, pay on delivery, then sell on Jumia. This sell on Jumia helps those people who have done quite more sales in Jumia and they have trusted you. You can start selling them, and Jumia will find you customers. Then there is easy return. This is the most convenient form of platform. Once you order for a good and you're supposed to pay on delivery and the good comes and maybe is not to your quality, you can easily return, and it is that way. If you had paid, they will reverse your cash. That is how it operates. These are the offerings that Jumia has. They have the phones and tablets. They sell electronics, TV and cameras, TV accessories, computing, computer accessories, laptops, MacBooks, softwares, antivirus. They sell home and office. These are things like beddings, home decoders, bedroom, cooking appliances, health and beauty, makeups, grocery, baby products, fashion, automobiles, gaming. Those are all the services that Jumia offers. But for you to start doing Jumia, as I said, you have first to have your account. Like if I log into my account, this is my account, jogukarongo@gmail.com. That is the credentials. You can log in with your Facebook credentials, then you'll have to have an address book. This is the pickup point. Once you order for good and they are saying pay on delivery, this is the point that Jumia will bring my cash, my good. Let me show you how to shop one product. Like I will search for Mocha TV. Once I come and search the product, whichever product it will be, Mocha, it will be a TV accessories, it might be a laptop. Come and choose your product. Like here I'm saying a 50-inch is at 65,000, which is a good offer. So once I press buy now, that product is normally taken to your cart, to a shopping cart. And the product that we have just brought to the shopping cart is this Mocha UHD Smart TV at 65,000. And the total bill is 115, since I also have other goods that I want to order online. So once you come there, in my orders, this platform, in my orders, I have already bought 4 things. Extension cables waiting to be shipped, 2 kg sugar, it is being shipped. It has been shipped. Instant heater, it is been shipped. Wireless mouse, it has been shipped. And now these are the These are the place you will find my saved items. In my saved items, these are sometimes you may find an item is at an offer and you don't have cash to pay. You come and put it in your saved items at the cost. Like here, this was a flash disk that was 16 GB. 16 GB and they're offering me at 360 shillings. Once you save it you place it in the saved items, you will come and shop later. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Make sure you leave a comment and shop online. Make sure you don't miss. This is the Jumia anniversary sales. It is from June 24th, from yesterday 2019 to July 14th. Do your offers, make sure you stock your house. This is the time to stock your house with the best products. Thank you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.